In this video I am going to show you how to turn off auto rotate feature on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first let me show you what auto rotate is, so basically how it works. If you open up some app and if you rotate your device, you see that now the app rotates to horizontal, and I can rotate my device back again, and the app rotates to portrait mode as well. And there is one simple trick how you can lock the current mode, and all you have to do is to open up your control center by swiping up from the top right corner, and now there you have to find the lock icon and just hit on that to lock current screen mode. And now if you rotate screen to horizontal, as you see, the app doesn't rotate with the device, and now the portrait mode is locked. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.